They ain't gonna like this one. I say, hey. All that smoking on the Willie, that shit there for the guys. I hope you niggas still know that we still love dropping fives. And I'm still smoking KP, that bitch boost up my high. They try to slide for Lil Tommy, but done shot the wrong guys. Fuck all that talking that y'all doing, come and pop out and slide. 23 got his ass smoked, they done two-part the whole ride. Pee-wee stupid ass died, took the Jakes on the race. And fuck around and crashed the car and then he busted in his face. Them niggas bitches on my soul, them niggas know they put up. Them niggas speaking on Lil Corey, them niggas know they fucked up. We catch they stupid ass lacking, we gon' blow that bitch up. Hootie got his stupid ass clap, his grandma so mad as fuck. Smoking on Kit Kat, get his shit splat, I ain't done turning up. They can't wait to catch Lil Nique, but bitch you know that it's up. Robbie cool with a nigga who done shot his ass up. But I ain't gon' say too much, I'm just gon' chill on lil' bro, on game. Ayy, chicken, hot rubber bands. Bitch, chicken, hot rubber bands.